to a freezing cold Belfast this morning. It's only about the 17th of November and winter has suddenly arrived, as it should do, with a vengeance this morning. It's been about 15-16 degrees all week in Belfast here, almost like a summer, and suddenly this morning it's probably about 1 degree, maybe 0. A bit of frost around, so you can probably see it in my breath here in the workshop. So I've been working away in the last couple of days on these large panoramics you can see behind me here, and some of them are going out for delivery. You see a couple of them wrapped here at the minute, and the rest of them I'm going to wrap up and deliver it to various customers. And there's 1 or 2 who go down to the shop in Born and Bred in Ann Street, Belfast, and maybe 1 or 2 online. So I thought I'd just take you on a wee tour of what way they've been finished, what type of frames they've used, and let you see the types of prints I have here. So first up is a print I call the Winter Mourns, for obvious reasons. And you can see I've taken this shot from Torella Beach. You see where the sand is, the lines of the sand just lead your eye towards the Mourns, and it won't be long before we see conditions like that on the Mourns. It's cold enough right now, and I think there's forecast for snow over the hills, so great. I love that because it makes for a great photography subject, transforms the landscape. So that's a nice white wood finish on it as well, as you can see. So it's this customer is matching this up with the Kingdom of the Mourns done in the same frame, so I don't know whether they're going to hang together or not, so it's going to go out today. In the background here you can see Belfast Castle, another large format print. They're about 40 inches by about 28 inches, so they're large enough. This one's done on a cream mount, and it's a nice dramatic scene with the moon in the background there. We can focus in on it, let you see it. Too much reflections, I think. And you can see I just call that one simply Belfast Castle. There you go. And you can see the cream mount, and that just tones in well with the colour of the castle itself. And that's done in a nice black silk finish frame. I love working with that stuff. It's probably the best stuff to work with. And it's wood, natural wood. And its little brother is to the left here. It's a smaller version, except it's for the Peace Bridge in Derry, with a white mount that tones in more with the picture, because the bridge itself's got white uprights in it, as you can see. But a while since I printed that one, so it's nice to get that one back out again. So that's going off to a new home this weekend. And then over on the other side you have another Mourns print here, The Longest Day. I call this one because simply it was photographed on the longest day. And there you go. And this was taken at the foot of Slieve Binion. That's Slieve Binion just to the left there where the sun is setting. It's up beside Carrick Little campsite, so I camped there for the night. And you can see the wee derelict farmhouse here makes for a great foreground subject. You see Slieve Lamigan in the background, and then if you pan across you'll see Slieve Binion, which I hiked up that morning and in the evening, took some great shots from up there. Really nice frame in this one as well. As you can see, it's a big chunky ornate style frame, so if we can get a focus on it here, there you go. Nice to work with as well. So there you go, that's the last couple of large format prints I've been working on this week. I hope you like them. If you do, make a comment and share. Go onto my website, TonyDaltonPhotography.com, look me up on Facebook or Instagram. You'll find all my work, and if you can give me some feedback, share, like, whatever, everything helps, especially in this climate. So I'll sign off now. So everyone stay safe as usual, and take care.